Oh boy, what is the bird up to this time? Stay tuned, I have a new DIY recycle craft for you. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Here we go. So my friend Becca MS Fighter told me a really fun idea, and next time I am going to try it out, which is put the candle wax burner in the freezer and then crack some of the wax at the top if you need to use it. But for this project in particular, I'm just carefully taking a spoon and I'm going to pour it into this seashell, and then I'm going to place other shells on top. Here is an old soup can and an old spoon that I am using. I highly recommend being 18 or older for this project because, again, it is very hot and I am just being extremely careful with what I'm doing here to not get wax all over the place. But I think Becca's idea sounds like an excellent one for future projects as well.